$92,820 a month, $1,616 a month, $9,960 a month, $994 a month, $3,034 a month, and that all with AI-generated books. That means little work, high reward. That sounds illegally good. So exactly what we are looking for. How does this sound? If others have made it, why shouldn't you make it too? In this video, I'll show you how. With a tool like Helium-10, you can see how many sales a single product makes. And when I looked how much it is for children's books, I was shocked. There are so many books that make so much money. The demand is huge. So why shouldn't you also create a children's book and sell it? Especially it's so easy since AI exists. Now I'll explain step by step how you too can create and sell your own book. Let's look at this book first. It costs almost $12 and has 13,000 sales a month. Per sale, it brings the seller a profit of about $6. That's $78,000 profit per month. Or this book. It also costs almost $12 and brings about $6 per sale. Per month, it has 1,395 sales. That's $8,370 profit per month. And the nice thing about the story is that you can upload it for free on KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, so you can easily upload a book to Amazon and earn money. Uploading is very easy. I'll make a video about that too. To not miss it, leave a subscription. I don't want to keep you waiting too long. Let's start with the book and make money. First, we open ChatGPT. The first thing we need is a strong title. This is very important. We asked ChatGPT for book title ideas. I didn't like the first suggestion, so I asked for more. If you don't like those either, you can ask for other ideas. I like number 6, The Enchanted Forest, A Tale of Friendship and Magic. I asked GPT what the story is about to get a rough idea. I like the story. If not, you can have that changed too. Then I asked what age group it is for. This is important to mention on the cover and in the description. Parents obviously pay attention to this. Let's continue. Now we have to create the chapter outline. As you can see, this is also no problem for GPT. It has created 10 chapters and all chapters are described. Chapter 1, The Mysterious Map. Chapter 2, Into the Unknown. Chapter 3, Meeting the Fairy Folk. Chapter 4, Uncovering Secrets. Chapter 5, A Journey to the Hidden Lake. And so on. I like these chapters very much. Let's not waste time and move on to the next step. We copy the first chapter and tell it to tell us the story. We can repeat this process until we like the result. You can also say longer or shorter and make the story longer or shorter. We do this step with every chapter. This will cost us maybe 5 minutes but make us a lot of money. That's just sick. That's what I call smart work. Now we need illustrations for the book inside. A children's book without illustrations will hardly become a bestseller. Now you could hire designers the old-fashioned way and spend a lot of money. Or you could use a tool like Leonardo.ai, Midjourney, or something similar. I personally use Midjourney, but you can also use free alternatives. I tell ChatGPT to create a prompt for me. I enter it in Midjourney and get these images. Now I can use them in the book. Now I take the pictures I like. I can also ask GPT for more prompts and also let Midjourney create more and more until I am happy with the result. In that case, I take picture number 4. I open Canva or Photoshop, put the picture in and put the first part of my story on it. I choose a nice font color, and the first page of my book is already done. Just play around and find the best for you. We repeat this process until we have gone through all the pages. Admittedly, this takes about 30 to 60 minutes, but it is worth it. And after you get used to this work, it goes faster. For your second book, you will need much less time. If you haven't worked with Photoshop before, I would recommend Canva. It's much easier for beginners. There are also a lot of tutorials on YouTube. Don't be afraid. It's really easy to learn, and it's free. As soon as you have done this step with all pages, save it as a PDF. With that, the inside of the book is finished. Now we need a cover. The cover is crucial. It's like a thumbnail on YouTube. If it doesn't look good, nobody will click on it and we won't be able to make any sales. Now we need a cover template from Kindle Direct Publishing. I'll put the link in the description. Select your binding type, interior type, paper type, page turn direction, measurement unit, interior trim size, and page size. Click on Calculate Dimensions and then on Download Template. Open it with Canva or Photoshop. Now we create a prompt for our cover with GPT and enter this at Midjourney. I did it several times and got these images. Then I decided to use this image. There is some text on it, but that's no problem. With the stamp tool, I can easily remove it. After removing the text, I put the image on the template. Add some filters to make it look better. My title, author name, and it's done. Not quite. The back of the cover is still missing here, but that's easy. You can have a similar image created for this and ask GPT for a short description and enter that here. Now only the uploading to Kindle Direct Publishing is missing. If I show this here, it would totally go beyond the scope. Best I shoot a part 2. Leave a subscription so you don't miss it. The video will be out shortly. If you still can't wait, there are some other good tutorial on YouTube. Just enter Kindle Direct Publishing, uploading a book. Otherwise, I would appreciate a like. See you in the next video.